Granola AI is an AI-powered note-taking tool that's designed for people who attend many meetings. Now, instead of adding a bot to a call, it records audio directly from your device and it transcribes, summarizes, and enhances meeting notes. Now, I've been using Granola for a while now, and I find it very interesting. And this video is to help you pick the same interest in it. If you do find interest in it though, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is go ahead and check the description box, and you can find a link that will lead you to Granola AI landing page. Once you click on it, you're going to have to download Granola AI for your operating system, and I'm going to download for mine. Now that I have it downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and register an account. And now that I'm done setting up, I'm going to open Granola. Now it's asking for permissions to enable my microphone and then system audio. And I'm going to enable microphone. I'm going to allow. Enable system audio. I'm going to allow. And I'm going to click on continue. Now here it's asking for an area of that best matches my daily work. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to choose startup generalist. We're going to click other and we're going to click on continue. Now Granola is asking for us to connect our calendar, and we're going to click on connect calendar. Now once we've allowed Granola access to our calendar, you can see now we have access to use the Granola software. Now the first thing we're going to do is create a meeting, but before we do that, I want us to go to recipes on this left sidebar. Once you click on recipes, you can find prompts that people have used on Granola that are very powerful, and you can start with that also. That can help you achieve goals quicker. Now just like I said, you can see recipes here. It says create, share, and browse really good prompts. Now it says what's a recipe. It says go faster with recipes in Granola. It's a simple shortcut that pull all of your most used prompts at your fingertips. And to create a recipe, you're going to come here, you're going to click on create, you're going to name the recipe, you're going to put in the prompt, you're going to test the recipe, and then you're going to save. And now your recipe can be shared with other people on Granola also. Now let's move on to creating our first meeting note. To create a new note, what we're going to do is we're going to go to this top bar here and we're going to click on new note. Now there's one thing I'd like to speak about before creating a new note. If you're somebody that gets into meetings a lot, you'd like to organize your meetings in folders, or you have a structure for your meetings, and that's where folders come in place. Once you look on this left sidebar, you can see new folder. You click on new folder. Now you can have a shared folder, you can have a private folder. A shared folder can be shared with a team, and a private folder can only be seen by you. You can have a shared folder, and you can choose a folder for stand-ups. Choose it, and you have a template for it, and you can create. Now Granola also has features that are yet to be available to allow you connect these meetings to Slack, to Notion, and to HubSpot. So we're going to close this. Now anytime you have a stand-up meeting, it's ideal that you're going to connect those meetings to this folder, and you can have all of your stand-up meetings under one folder, which makes organizing very, very simple. Now let's go back to our notes that we were creating earlier on. Now we have our note. We're going to actually add this note to the stand-up folder. We're going to click on add folder. We're going to click on stand-up, and we're going to call it review Granola note. Now it says new notes. Use new notes for events that aren't on your calendar. Granola will transcribe but won't know who is speaking. Granola will write notes for you once the transcript has stopped. So you're going to click on OK. Now once we click on OK, I want you to notice one thing that has been happening all along as we created the new note. You realize this keeps moving. The wave keeps moving. Once I click on this show transcript, everything that I have been saying since we created a new note has been transcribing. You see it? Now once we click on it. So once you have the meeting, you open a new note. Automatically Granola has access to your microphone, and it's going to transcribe everything that you're saying into the notes, as you can see here. Now when we click on stop, it's going to ask us to either resume or generate notes. Now what we are going to do is we're going to click on generate notes. and we're gonna give it some time to analyze the notes and then break it all down. And as you can see, it already has broken down the recordings that we fed it earlier on. It has the transcript for it. It also provided a link with a transcript. Once we click on the link, it's going to show us a pop-up that says say hello to actual useful meeting notes, and you can see the transcription of your notes here. Now going back to the Granola app, we have templates that we can use here for one-on-one meeting, for customer discovery, for hiring, for stand-up. And once we choose that, it's gonna be able to pick up voices from different people because it's a stand-up meeting. You see it's breaking it down already. And if I had other people speaking also, it's gonna analyze those and use AI to break them down also. Now we're gonna go back, and here every note that we have under our stand-up folder or any other folder of that sort, you can actually share with other members on your team. If you've not added them, you can share it by clicking on these three buttons here. You click on sharing settings, and you can add details for the members here. You can search for people, send them invites, and add them as collaborators. And here also you can integrate other tools like Slack, Atio, and Zapier. And this gives you a detail about the meeting that you just had. Now another thing is that Granola AI is actually smart enough to detect different voices of different people. And when you go to the left side of the application, you go to people, you click on it, it can be able to tell you people that you've met, and it will need your help to identify these people definitely, but it will list the number of people that you've met, so it can be helpful to link them to their voices once the meetings are done. Now one other thing I also like to talk about is the payment packages for Granola. On the left sidebar, when you go down and you click on free trial, you'd see it has different plans for you because it's going to go straight to billing. You have different plans. You have the basic plan for $0 a month. This is $14 per user, and this is $35 per user. And the enterprise is definitely for our companies, and it's going to allow sharing and collaboration. Now Granola also gives you the ability to transfer notes. If you go on the left side of the settings on the workspace, when you click on workspace, you can transfer notes to another workspace. So you can create different workspaces under Granola, and you can transfer notes from one workspace to another workspace. And you can actually remove yourself from a workspace, or you can delete a workspace that you are an admin of. Now for you to create a workspace, you're gonna have to close this, and you're gonna come to your icon at the bottom of the left sidebar. You're gonna see an icon that says your name, and you see when you over it, it says switch workspaces. You're gonna click on it, and you're gonna add another workspace if you want to. Now I don't want to add another workspace, but this gives you the ability to add another one, and you can also manage templates from here. Now that brings me to the end of the video. If you feel like this video has helped you create an interest of any kind in Granola AI, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.